And I am Premnath. I am doing MBA final year. My topic is budgeting control. My WAM number is 1001. My university register number is MA20502. Budgeting control establishes plan for target perform, which became a basic of measuring progressiveness active of the organization. Budgeting control is process of sustaining the survival budget figure with actual figure finding the depreciation, and the budget is actual figure will allow the management to take corrective action on the proper time. My company profile. My company name is Keld Element of India Private Limited. Keld India Private Limited is multi-product. The company specified is designing, manufacturing high-quality industrial dumpers, non-metallic, metallic and rubber expansion joint, lumber seals, air slides, and providing for end-to-end solution including during system. Our mission, our objective is continuous upgraded for technology based on through research and development of our range of solution to customer in the directing solution. Our mission to provide good engineering practice and quality to meet the critical diamond time to achieving total customer satisfaction. Our internal process zero failures in our products. History. Keld started in 1987. Its joint venture the Keld is a Denmark. June 2000 in India, promoters Shar being completed control company. Keld is unlimited necessary experience of designing, manufacturing, selling and non-metal expansion joint. Keld started operation 2002. In 2008, Keld redirected to diversification into multiplication products and strategies, manufacturing metals and rubber and expansion joint. 2010, Keld is article MCM Steels in Canada acquired to technology for designing, manufacturing industrial dumpers. Product profile: industrial dumpers, non-metallic expansion joint, metallic expansion, rubber expansion, as like general fabrics. And industrial profile: non-metallic expansion joint. They commonly found between section building, bridges, seed works, railway tracks and pipe systems, shipping and other structures. Building on focus on concrete slabs and pipes expands for warming, cooling from the season vibration. Due to the heat resources before expansion, joint were building in this structure, they would crack the under the stress, including a review of literature. Budget and budgeting is concept is trading a Bible decide. Praise Joseph is Egypt. It is reporting to nothing have given of trust without return order. History it is Joseph budget stored as grain last Egyptian throughout the even 7 years in fame. Under 1987, it started for emergency scientific management physiology in basic of taking decision provide for the determination input for the development management accounting including budgeting techniques. Mogra in 1997 opinion for the budget through growing behind final tools, aboving for the managerial tools are essential for best tools making for the resources, especially performance resources. Plans on either became results and different expansion of due to environmental, economic condition, market condition, technology changes of corresponding assumption this budget. Objectives of this study. Primary objective: the study on budgeting control in Keld Element of India Private Limited in Chennai. Secondary objective: to exist on budgeting control method practice at Keld Element of India Private Limited. To compare the budget figure, actual figure, to compare the final statement for the different financial year. To find out the loopness with budgeting control system. To forecast the future plan, avoid losses and maximize the profit. Scope of the study. The budgeting control support top level management to take the decision in the future. The study or report will be handling Keld in understanding the level of budgeting control. The study of conducting budgeting control cover all financial area and budgeting control. Need for this study. A budget is important tool for financial planning and controlling. The budget is representing a set of guidelines for controlling internal operation of the organization. The management through the budget can evaluate the performance of the every level of the organization. Limitation of the study. The study cannot replace the manager's judgment and take the good decision. The study to one limited available information from the department. The study of limited financial or budgeting control of the department. Research methodology. Research methodology process of the find out the end of the result given problem, the solution, action. The research being different carefully investigation, search for new facts of branch knowledge. Research is systematic effort to gain new knowledge. The tools are applied from the data analysis, various analysis, comparative statement, trend analysis and correlation. First one, the data analysis interpretation variation done for 2008 to 2009. Budget estimated actual and variance. Sales 1870 Actual is 2452, my variance is 582, and my total expenditure 2472 minus budget estimate 1884, variance is 588. Totally of the income and expense the 1841 actual, and estimated is 1012, and the variance is 3.75. This income and expenditure of given chart, given table chart, variance period of 2008 to 2009 is 3.7, is calculated by the comparing the budget estimated 1008.41 and the actual is 1012. 16 amount spending budget figure lesser than the actual amount. It is variation done for period for 2009 to 2010, and it is income and expenditure chart of the it is in front of the from period of 2010 2011 293.98 is calculating by comparing of budget estimated 1246.81. Actually amount spending the amount budget is lesser than the actual amount. It is a variation done for period of the 2011 to 2012. Is income and expenditure of chart given the inference of variance of period of 2011 and 12 is calculating comparing for the budget 917.89 and the actual is 905. Amount spending for budget lesser than the actual amount. It is variance done for period for 2013 and 12 and 13, and income and expenditure given chart in below. The variance done for period 2012 to 2013 calculating comparing budget is estimated 605.26 and actual is 921.21. Amount spending budget figure lesser than amount of the actual amount. It is comparative and another tools is comparative analysis for the year of 2009 to 2010. At comparing for the both 2 years are increase and decreasing in the sales and income and expenditure. It's given of a total A and total B is given below in the chart, and they are given the chart A and B. It interprets a comparative statement 2009 to 2010 show a total income and decrease 707.62. The total expenses also decreasing 1182.63. A comparative analysis statement of 2010 to 2011 income and expenditure, sales and A and B is given chart below. In the comparative analysis statement 2010 to 2011, a total income increased 252.17. The total expenditure decreasing 70.4. Hence, the net is net satisfactory. A comparative analysis for the year of 2011 and 2012 is given below of chart, and in fact comparative statement of given of the both year 353.24. total expenditure decreasing 400.97. hence is satisfactory. Comparative analysis for the year of 2012 to 2013 is given below of chart. In front of the comparative statement of showing total income and decreased 197. Total expenditure also increasing 181. Another trend analysis for the year of 2008 to 2013 is a sales 2008 to 2009 2412, and trend is 100. base year is 100, and 2009 to 2010 is 1,715, and the percentage is 71.1, and given below 11 and 12 and 13 given below in the chart. Showing the interference from the above the table showing the trend percentage, it says 2008 to 2009 base year is has been 2009 to 2012 has been decreasing when the compared to 2013. Trend analysis of the raw material of 2008 to 2013 as given below of the chart. From the above the chart and table, percentage of based on the 2000 year has been decreased when the compared 2008 to 2009 has been decreasing compared to the again he's been decreasing when compared to 2011 and 12. And the trend analysis of the spare consumed in the from the above the table and chart, percentage and spare consumed is 2008 to 2009 decreasing trend 2010 to 2013 has been decreased. Trend percentage on power fuel, it is actual under trend 2008 to 2009 is given below chart, and percentage fuel power and fuel base year is 2012 and 12 decreasing trend is has been decreased. Trend analysis in the year of 2008 to 2013 direct labor and wages as given from the above the table and chart. Percentage of direct labor 2008 to 2009, the base year 2009 and twin increased trend was 2013 it was little different when they compare 2011 and 12. Correlation used for 2009 10 and 11 12 based on actual budget estimate budget actual budget current year minus base year divided by base year into 100, and 80.36 minus 111.68 divided by 111.68 into 100 is equal to minus 28.04. It is calculating for 5 years, and x square y square and xy is calculating given the formula also, and given the formula is total is 5308.31, and the total value of 31.96 of the correlation. The value is more than not positively correlated, and the value is correlation 31.96. My findings is the budget actual year of 2009 to 10 has been decreased in the profit due to the over expendation of the cost. The budget is for actual year 2011 and 12 decreasing in the profit due to the over expenditure of the cost. The trend percentage sales year of 2009 to 2010 has been decreased 71% due to the price increase. The trend percentage of raw material in the year of 2009 to 2010 has been decreasing in the 70% but 28% due to the price increase. It is suggestion as the difference between budget estimate and actual value, income and expenditure. The company could pay it in the following budget estimate, not dividend from it. The fluctuation of the comparative statement of company may so affect the share market share value as well as earning the shareholders. Company has been improved. There is a positive correlation relationship between income and expenditure. Appropriate cost reduction strategy could be adopted into reduce expansion when increasing the hence income could be invested on the profit avenue. Conclusion: the company needed to improve for the estimate budget future period for using the comparative statement, various analysis, trend analysis, and the study of helped measuring the veridical actual figure and would be further of the enable company to avoid wide deviation in the starting in the control. Thank you.